we have a very cool render from one of our friends, concept creator. We've actually worked together in the past. I think we did a Dream Phone concept that he rendered up on our behalf.
Does it still hold up today, you think?
It probably looks terrible by today's standards,
okay.
to be quite honest. But he put out a video. He puts out these amazing videos in which he brings concepts to life, hence the name Concept Creator. And his latest target was the S11. And the S11, we have lots of good information about it. So it can be a close to accurate render as well. But he does a whole video concept. And the thing is spinning around, floating around. It's all very beautiful. Now, what he showcases here is an incredibly tiny front-facing camera in the hole punch variety, or the punch hole variety, as depending on whatever you decide. Some people get really upset about that, Will.
Really?
Yeah, some people hate the hole punch.
I wonder if it's a regional thing.
It's very regional.
Yeah.
It's very regional. It's like Cherry Coke, which, by the way, very popular in some places. Here, they got rid of it. Couldn't sell it. Couldn't sell a single one. Other places, #1 beverage.
Yeah.
So, just keep you in the loop there. Now, he did his render that showcases the back camera unit. It looks more organized than some of the previous stuff that leaked out. You have the 3 cameras in a straight line on the left-hand side. Now, this device also glass on the front, glass on the back. The waterfall, apparently they kind of backed off it a little bit, and certainly there is a forehead and a chin, but it does have incredibly slim bezels on it. And as we know, the camera performance typically from Samsung is right up near the top tier. You can see the camera layout there showcased. And he's got a couple of different colors that could potentially, may eventually exist. We'll see. But either way, it's a bit of eye candy is how I would describe it. I would call it eye candy, the stuff he puts together. It's all floating in infinity, and there's reflections and stuff happening. You can't do this kind of thing, Will.
Well, I can't even tell if it's a commercial.
You can't do this type of thing.
Uncanny.
You wake up in the morning, you pour the cereal, miss the bowl.
Happens every morning.
You're picking up the little extra cereal flakes. You got to put them back in the bowl.
One by one.
Yeah. No, of course that's not true. Willie Do, he pours the cereal with precision. I'm having some fun, that's all. Because if Willie Do does it, he does it with precision. And if you wanted to do this, Will, you could do this.
I don't know about that.
No, you could do it, man. It might take you a week, but you could do it. It might take you a year. I'm looking at this right now. It might take him a year. But that's a nice looking phone. Look at how big the camera cutout is on the right. On the Plus model. Oh, baby. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cameras. It's massive. But who cares? These things are cameras now. They're not phones. They're cameras that are also phones.
Huh.
And people want to show off their new camera. Look what happened with the iPhone, Will. At first glance, people were saying, I'm not going to be caught dead with that. Mm-hmm. First glance right there. And then you get used to it. And all of a sudden, you want to show off your camera because it means you're cutting edge. You're right on the edge. So S11 happening really soon. It's the next big launch. You know we're paying attention. And so is Concept Creator.